students, this is your chapter number 3, and in this video we will discuss about enhancing presentations. So suppose you have to prepare presentations that looks attractive. So what can you do? So to prepare an attractive presentation, we can apply different kinds of effects available in PowerPoint. So there are different kinds of options and attractive options available in PowerPoint which you can easily use. So although there are different kinds of options, but we will discuss in this video about two effects, that is animations and transitions. So basically we will discuss about animations and transitions. So first have a look what is animation. So animation, the ability to move objects like text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. on the slide is called animations. So in PowerPoint we can move objects, we can move text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. on the slide. So this ability of moving objects on the slide is called as animation. So you must have seen some presentations, or you must have observed the presentation that I am presenting you right now. There are some effects applied in this presentation. Can you observe these effects? If you have not observed, then look it once again. So I am just displaying you some effects, that how the text appears on the screen. Let's look it once again. The ability to move objects like text, how this text is being appeared here, means it is coming one by one word by word. So this is, what is this effect? This effect has been created in PowerPoint with the help of an option that is called as animation. Means actually these words are being animated over the screen. So different kinds of animations are available. This is the one of the options, one of the animation that I have shown you, means moving text one by one over the screen. So you can change it according to your choice. What kind of animation you need, you can apply that using PowerPoint. So next we talk about next topic is transitions. So what are transitions? You must have observed in this presentation I have also used some transition effects. So what is transition? First we take the definition about transition, then we will discuss about it in detail. So what is transition? Transition effects appear when one slide changes to other during slideshow. So what does it mean? It means when one slide changes to another, means there is one slide in front of us and after that second slide will come. So the difference between the time period in which a slide changes one to another, there is an effect, special effect available between these two slides, and this effect is called as transition. Okay, so as like animation, we can apply transition effects on any slide or the slides available in our PPT using an option that is called as transition. So transition effects, there are different kinds of transition effects available in PowerPoint. We can apply any of the transition according to our choice. So there are different kinds of transition effects that have been applied in this presentation also. Once again you can look it out. This is animation that has been removed. This is transition. This is transition here. Once again look it. This is transition. The previous slide changed to this slide, and this is animation on the text or on the screen. So now you can differentiate between animation and transition. So this is This is transition. This is transition. Transition. This is animation here. And now transition. This is animation. Okay, now this is transition effect. So different kinds of, we can change these effects according to our choice. So now we will discuss that how can we apply these transition or animation effects using PowerPoint. So just you can see this video and we will discuss how to apply these effects. So as you can see now, this is the same presentation that I was displaying you. So I have used different kinds of options, different kinds of animations and transitions in this slide, in this presentation. You must have observed about these transitions and animations. So now I will tell you that how can you apply these effects, means transitions and animations. So first we discuss how can we apply animations on the slide. So to apply animation, go to animation option, animation tab. After that you can see different kinds of animation available. You can add animation. These are different kinds of animations available. You can click on any effect that will be applied to the selected objects or selected text. For example, this appear and fade in will appear look like this, and you can change the duration by clicking on the box. Different kinds of animation, you can play them here from effect options. Okay, you can change the animation effects. This is second kind of animation here. You can change how the text will appear by word. This is that I used. You can move it from down to up, left to right, and from bottom to up. Different kinds of animation effects are available. Now we discuss about transition. Click on transition tab. Now different kinds of transitions are available. You can see these transitions appeared on the slide. You can apply to all, or on the single slide or different slides. You can use these effects. So different kinds of transition effects are available. According to your choice, you can apply whichever you like. Now select any slide. These are transitions. Fade in, push, wipe look like this, split look like this, and you can add sound also. You can change duration. You can apply to all. So this is the way you can apply transitions. Now you can differentiate between the transition and animation. So animation moves text or object over the slide. And what is transition? Transition is the time duration or effect between this time duration when one slide changes to another. So in our next video we will discuss about how can we apply different kinds of options available in PowerPoint.